Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to enable NFC tap to pay in your WeChat wallet. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings right here. After you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on search right here. So what you need to do is to simply type in NFC. So it's going to give you the search result. Go ahead and click on NFC setting right here. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Click on here to turn this on. Once you turn it on, then you have tap to pay enable. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on default payments. Then go ahead and choose WeChat. Once you choose WeChat, exit from your settings right here. Then go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my WeChat app. Go ahead and click on me. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on general. Go ahead and click on this particular button right here to turn on NFC. It's that simple. With that, you are ready and set for NFC payment. Tap to pay with your WeChat wallet. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.